Okay, this is Alexander Vera. Doing week 2 uh, of SQL. Um, this week for the lab, we were asked to practice creating and dropping tables in SQL. Here I can bring up my SQL. I practiced a little bit before this, so basically try to do something similar. We have your create table command. Um, uh, We'll just say if you're a fan of, let's say, Dungeons and Dragons or something, put DPS underscore class, and then it's going to bring up our first column. So we'll put uh, wizard uh, name, and then the type. It will make it about, say, 20 characters for people who like to get creative. Next, we'll have fighter name, something similar, same type, 20 characters, right? Oh, wrong one. Let's have wizard, the level, right? We can use number for that. We'll just say 2 digits. They don't go pretty much higher than that. But that's just an example of the columns. Say we want to close it out. Table gets created. If I wanted to bring the table back up to see what was in it, what was the name of the table? DPS class. Semicolon. See, you have it here. Nothing's in it, but it's there. Let's say we wanted to get rid of the table or drop the table. If I can spell. Oh. Accidentally hit a different key. Drop table. Yes. Class. This will be done. Table drop. So when we go to look it up, let's try that again. Called it a table. I believe I brought up. There we go. I just put. Yeah, I just put it in wrong. I didn't have to put in table. But yeah, the table's been dropped. It's been completely done. That's the basic create, describe, and drop command. Okay, thank you.